And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 3-in-1 bamboo wireless charging station. With this, you can charge a pair of AirPods, an Apple Watch, and an iPhone, all from one nice little bamboo dock. Let me show you. So out of here is a nice little user's manual detailing you everything. And then they include a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's so you get the full power. That's it for the box. And then this is the actual bamboo charger. So yeah, here's some of the specs on the bottom. So the phone charger output is 15 watts max. The earphones or the AirPods is a 5 watt max, and the watch charger output is 2 watts max. Super nice and easy to use with just one USB-C cable, which of course they include, and then you're just able to put on all your devices. Let me show you. Take our USB cable, run it to a USB, and then plug it in on the back here. You get a nice little red light here on the bottom. You're able to take your devices and have them charged. So an Apple Watch can sit right on here, and boom, it's charging. AirPods can sit right there, and then they are charging. And then lastly, of course, an iPhone 12 series or higher can sit right here, magnetize, and starts charging. So now you have all three of your devices charging at once, all from one little USB-C port. But that's essentially it. Light changes to white, everything's charging at once, and within a couple hours, everything will be charged up by the time you wake up, and you're ready to go. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you for all watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.